The Fillet Xpert allows you to quickly add and change constant radius fillets as well as change corner fillets without having to leave the fillet interface. You'll notice that there's 3 tabs. There's options to add, change, and change a corner fillet as well. So if I select out an edge, you'll notice a pop-up come up to the right. This allows you to select multiple edges and fillet them all at once. If you do happen to hover away from that pop-up menu, it'll disappear, and the only way to get it back is to actually unselect and reselect that edge. In this case, we're going to choose the right feature option. That'll choose all those top edges. And we'll apply a 0.1 inch fillet. Then we'll select one of our remaining edges. And I'll choose the internal to feature option, which will select out the rest of the edges. And we'll set this to 0.2 and try to apply that. From here, we can change fillets if we want. For example, we could resize a fillet. You'll just want to keep in mind that some fillets fail to resize because the fillet itself will destroy the remaining fillets, like you see in this case. But if we wanted to change one of the fillets down here, we also have the option of choosing multiple fillets, just like in the Add tab. We can change these to 0.1 and go ahead and resize those. You can also sort by the fillet size and select out different fillets. And if you come into the Corner Fillet tab, you can modify fillets in corners. In this case, I chose that top face. And if you choose the Show Alternatives, you'll usually be able to see alternatives. In this case, the top face isn't allowing us to see any alternatives, but the bottom, we can see we have 2 options. And if you click on the new option, it'll change that corner over. And if we hover over the other corners, we can see what's possible to change and what's not. For example, we could change that bottom fillet as well to a different corner fillet. So as you can see, the Fillet Xpert allows you to quickly add fillets to multiple edges and change them as well.